Hi there everybody, this is Christine at StayNTouch. One great feature that comes with StayNTouch's Rover PMS is the ability to create and manage group reservations from the Groups page. The group setting allows you or another designated team member to create and manage group reservations for public, private, or corporate events. In today's video, I'd like to show you how to create a new group reservation. To do this, start by selecting the sidebar menu and clicking Groups. From the Groups menu, start by selecting New Group. Right away, you will want to take note of the tabs along the top of the group window. This header is a good overview for the steps involved when creating a group reservation. You will begin defining the basic details for the group's reservation from the Summary tab. Before you can navigate to any other tabs on this page, Rover will require that you fill out the name for the group, the start and end dates, the release date, and the hold status for the group. It is worth pointing out that the date you select for the release date needs to be on or before the group's starting date. The release date cannot be set to a day after the group's reservation begins. Other details on this page, such as the billing information and demographics buttons, will be disabled until these details are included. And lastly, you will want to choose a group rate from the drop-down menu. Only pre-configured rates that were specified as group type rates will display in this section. There's also a section for notes if you'd like to leave a message for your team regarding the reservation. Once ready, click Save Group. After we select Save, you can see how the previously disabled settings are now clickable and ready to receive additional instructions from the user, including the demographics and Add Billing Information buttons. If you'd like to specify bill routing for the group, you may do so from this pop-up menu. Rover will allow you to set the specific dates for bill routing, in addition to choosing a pre-configured billing group or charge code. Select Save Route from that point and you're done. Now we're ready to proceed to the next tab. From the Room Block Details tab, select Add Rooms and Rates. This tab is important because it is where the user assigns room types and room numbers for the group. Based on the rooms that were added to the rate during group rate configuration, certain predefined room types will display in the pop-up menu. You may choose to add or remove rooms from this pop-up menu by selecting the red X button. Once you are satisfied with the room types listed, select Update. Now that you've specified what room types we'd like to make available to the group, Rover auto-displays that selection in the spaces provided. Scrolling down reveals additional room types. Begin assigning the number of rooms you would like to be made available per day for the group. The total space below the date and occupancy details indicates the total number of rooms blocked for the group on that particular day. The pickup number displays the total number of rooms that have been booked to a guest, which is controlled from the Rooming List tab. We'll get to that in just a moment. If the user enters numbers that exceed the house availability for that room type and clicks Save, Rover will notify the front desk agent of this inventory status, verifying that the user would like to proceed with their selection. However, if the number of rooms entered does not exceed the house availability, the user will simply select Save. Further adjustments can be made to the group block, including moving the group's stay dates by clicking the dates here. Rover will verify that the user would like to confirm this change before moving the dates. Next, let's proceed to the Account tab. The Account tab is primarily used to assign an account number to the group that will be used internally by your team. Balance details and deposit rules may also be further managed from this tab for the particular group. Now we'll select here to go to the Rooming List tab. You may begin adding specific reservations for this group under the Rooming List tab. When selecting a room type for a guest, you will note that the remaining number of rooms for that room type displays in parentheses here. After specifying the guest room details, click the green Add button. If you'd like to add the name for the guest, you may do so in the space provided. In this example, we will leave the name blank at this time. When you're ready, click Save. You will notice that Rover saves the reservation as pending when the name fields are left blank. However, if we select the reservation, a new pop-up window will appear. This Edit Guest pop-up window allows us to further specify the guest details as well as assigning a room number to the guest. Rover will auto-update this information as soon as you select Update. Next, we have the Transactions tab and Activity Log tab. Bill tracking and accumulating charges for the group can be viewed from the Transactions tab. And if a user would like to track certain changes and updates made to the group reservation, the activity log will include the user's name, the time the edit was made, as well as a description of the action as it is logged within Rover. This number at the top displays the total activities in the list currently. We hope you enjoyed learning more about how to create a group reservation in Rover. If you'd like to contact a member of our support team, feel free to email a question at support@StayNTouch.com, or you can learn more by checking out our knowledge base at the following URL.